Hey everyone, you are watching Technology here. In this tutorial, I will show you everything step by step with real demonstrations how to fix phone by Google. New update calling card is not showing or not present. How to fix it. So don't escape ahead. Is every step important for us? How to do that? First and foremost, guys, we will have to especially take down. Thanks for your time. This is a technology welfare. I will be back with new more step-by-step tutorials. So don't forget to like, comments, and subscribe to the channel. It really supports the channel. So thank you very much. Have a great time. Bye bye.